Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find your Claude API key. All right, let's begin. First, open Claude AI and click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. From the menu, click on Learn More, then select API Console. This will redirect you to the Anthropic platform dashboard. If you are not already signed in, make sure to log in using the same account connected to Claude AI. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the Manage section and click on API Keys. Here, you will see all of your existing API keys. If you already have one created, you can simply copy it and start using it in your projects or applications. If you do not have an API key yet, click on Create API Key. Then, choose the workspace where you want to create the key and enter a name for it. After that, click Add, and your new API key will be generated instantly. You can also manage your keys from the same page by disabling or deleting them whenever needed. So that's basically how you can find your Claude API key. That's it for this video. Thanks.